It's only better of them, but it's just like Shaita, try to know that she said, Sasha, Shaita, you be my love forever, ever. 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 Make things more important than leave you. What can I do without you? I want you to be my partner forever. Me not let you go if you give me a chance. You'll be my queen and I'll be your fiance. Love you till to the end forever, ever.